Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and I'm known as Opinionated Horsewoman. Today, y'all, I got 2 items in the mail. I just came in from work, basically switched into my grubby nighttime stuff, tossed my hair in a pony because it was driving me crazy, and got the mail and sat down. I was like, I gotta make a video because I got 2 things. First thing is, I will admit, I did my first order from the TikTok shop. I came across a discount for one of the viral BK Beauty brushes, and they actually had 2 of them. I was really interested. One of them was a really good discount. The other one was definitely on sale, definitely compared to what I've seen it on Instagram or their website for. And it was BK Beauty is has the blue check mark, so they're confirmed. So it was their legit shop. I did order a couple other things. Those would be coming from a different shop. Haven't gotten those yet. I'm a little suspicious of that, but we'll see. So I have that, and then I have my Macy's beauty box. So first thing we're going to do is show you. This is what the BK Beauty came in, and it says it's from BK Beauty out of Texas. So I'm so excited to get this. All right. Here's my little receipt. Look at that, BK Beauty. Okay. So I got, this is the 101 brush. So it is the contoured foundation brush that everybody's been making videos about. Super interested. If you use any kind of like liquid, oh, it's so soft, liquid foundation or anything, yeah, this is it. So this is, like I said, the 101. Let me show you that really quick right there. You guys, this thing retails like regularly, like 35-ish, somewhere, 30 some odd dollars. It was like 14 bucks. So this is what it looks like. Very dense. There's the angles on it. It's contoured. This is specifically made to do like foundation. So I'm really excited to try this. Now I will wash this brush tonight because I always wash new brushes before I use them to get any weird chemical spray off of them. Because I don't believe this is I don't believe this to be a natural hairbrush, but I'm really excited to try this. Now, I don't necessarily use foundation, but I use tinted moisturizers, I use BB creams, I do on occasion use liquid foundations, so really pumped to try this. It is a very, very large headed brush, so, you know, not necessarily great for like, getting in those deep corners. But then I also got, now this one wasn't as discounted as the 101. This was like, I think $14. This one, and they're made in China, by the way. This one is the 109 brush, and this is the mini contoured foundation brush. So this one is meant to get in like the under eye area and those inner corners. This is meant to do your foundation, but in those crevices, those small areas. So 109 brush. So let me show you. There's the logo. There's the number. This is the brush. Again, a large brush has that, and it's dense. They are very dense, very soft. So you can kind of see, like, I can see some bristles that are a little longer, whatever, you know, they'll come out. You are going to have a little bit of shedding, but hopefully not a lot. So I'm super interested in seeing like how this one applies around like the nose, under eye area. Super excited, you know, up the between the eyes. So yeah, pumped on these. Do I need more brushes? No, but honestly, I've been seeing so many videos about these. And I went through my collection of brushes and I was like, I don't really have anything like this. Now I do have from the Ipsy/Boxy drop shop. I do have an angled brush like this. I got in an add-on. I bought it in an add-on. It's from SL Miss Glam, but it's not this wide. It's and I do use it a lot and I love it. So I like that they're finally figuring out these angles. Pretty awesome. So again, that was my foray into dipping my toe into the TikTok shop. Sorry, I'm going to move my, probably made horrible noises there. I'm a little nervous about putting credit card information and all that through on TikTok, but I have, you know, really good credit card protection, and we'll see. We'll see. I'm scared. But then we got Macy's beauty box. Now I popped it open because it is impossible to open. So I had to like pry it open with the scissors, but this is what it looks like. I knew there was a email that went out that was basically like a teaser. And I knew we were going to get an LMS product. So I do know we're going to get a skincare item. So first thing is you get this little insert, and it always has a coupon. So Macy's Beauty Box, Glam Goodies for Galentine's. And they did tell us it was going to run late. So there's a QR code that you can scan to find out more about all the items in here. And then there's a $5 off coupon. It's $5 off your next $20+ beauty purchase, valid in-store or online. Let's see, it says February 26th through April 28th, 2024. I don't think I'm going to use it, but I don't think I'll use it. So it's going to be first person to use this code. It's a one-use code. So you're going to want to get ready to screenshot it. And then, like I said, it starts February 26th. First person to use it. $5 off $20. So basically you got to spend about $15 out of your own pocket. Okay, so here's what we got. A bunch of stuff wrapped up in pink. We have this. And here's the LMS. So this is the LMS Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. I honestly I don't understand why, let's see, do I have that right? Why the beauty industry is obsessed with the scent of rose. Now, I love a fresh rose, a cut rose. I do not like the artificial rose smell. I don't. It's just gross. So it's in a lot of stuff. But yeah, Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Let's see, the bottom must have the size, 0.7 ounces, so not even an ounce. So 0.7 ounces, it's 20 grams. Let's see here. Just LMS.com doesn't have a whole lot of other information in it, but we do see LMS quite a bit in like Ipsy, well, it was Boxy and Ipsy's drop shop. So it's usually pretty good products. So that's first skincare item. And then this one looks like some kind of hair clip. So it says created for Macy's, one for me, one for Bestie. And like I said, they look like a hair clip. There's a pink one and a red one. And there's really not much on the back. So cute. You can kind of see me opening it. So it's like just a clip for your hair. Cute. I mean, I think if I was young, I'd be more interested in this, but I don't know. So here's the rest, and it's pretty flat. I'm guessing there's no fragrance in here this month, but we'll see. It's very nicely wrapped. I mean, it's in here. It's like unwrapping a present. Oh, maybe there is some fragrance stuff. Okay, so here we go. I think I see a lippy in there. Okay, so let's grab that. Smashbox. Yep, this looks like a lippy, but it could be eyeshadow. Oh gosh, the reflection is really bad. Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. Yep. Okay, so that's what it is. Do we see a shade color? It's very reflective. Maybe it's on the back. Stepping Out is the shade. This is obviously going to be, deluxe sample size. It's pretty. It's a very neutral nude shade, kind of browny. Little doe foot. Doesn't have a distinguishable scent. This is what it's going to look like. There, like that. And that. I don't know if I'll keep this. I might give this in a giveaway or give it to a friend, so don't want to swatch it. Not lip products. Okay, so we have let's go little NYX. Gotten this a few times. I think we got this in Walmart Beauty. NYX Professional Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. Pretty sure I've gotten it twice in Walmart's Beauty Box because I do get two different Walmart Beauty Boxes. And I just got the email that they charged me for the next 2 Walmart Beauty Boxes. So is there a shade? Something cherry. Something cherry cream. I'm assuming, I don't know. I think it's like the code for it, and then cherry cream is the color. It is shrink sealed, and because I already have gotten a couple of these, I'm not going to open it. I'm sorry, guys, but it's literally this like bright, bold color. And it is, again, a Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. Next little squishy, tiny little tube of sample sizes. Estee Lauder Futurist Peptide Power Serum Primer. Ooh, cute. Size on this is tiny. 0.17 ounces or half a milliliter. Itty bitty. This is just absolutely like shades of the Ipsy base bag. So cute. I'll probably use that. Oh, I feel like we've gotten this before. Magic Extension. Oh, we've got another fiber mascara. These make me nervous. This is MAC. Yep, MAC. Magic Extension 5mm fiber mascara enriched with color amplifying crystal elixir powder. Shows you actually what the brush looks like. So that's interesting. It's kind of busy. This is definitely a deluxe sample, guys. So it's not the full size of what you're going to get. The small tube, small bullet tube. I don't want to open it because I think I will try this. But once you open it, it starts drying out and stuff. So, like I said, the applicator, this is what it looks like. And I like that. That looks like a nice applicator. So I'm curious to try that. And then I do believe we do have one fragrance. Jean Paul Gaultier Divine Eau de Parfum. I Am a Woman. What's more divine? Okay, from Jean Paul Gaultier. I can't tell if that's what I'm smelling. Smells good. I did put perfume on today though, so I don't know. Oh, so the bottle kind of reminds me of Madonna Vogue. With the like bodysuit she wore in that video. I just saw that video. It just came on like social media not that long ago. I don't know if it's some anniversary for it, but it says a lily radiating with beauty, a divinely airy meringue over freshly salted kiss, a divine scent. I'm sorry for the face, guys, but some of these descriptions, a divinely airy meringue over a freshly salted kiss. That's going to explain what this is. That sounds really weird. Yeah, I can't smell it. Here's what you get. Just a little bit. Let's take a sniffy. We're going to put it on a piece of paper. If I don't drop it. Got to prime it. Ooh, there we go. I got it on my thumb. Oh. Not bad. Doesn't have my favorite jasmine smell to it, but it's pretty nice. Definitely like a floral. I think when they're saying meringue, I'm wondering if there's some lemon in there. Has anybody, you guys, let me know if you've like ever tried this, bought it, if you wear it. Gaultier Divine. It's not bad. Now, like I said, it reminds me of some other fragrances, especially as the notes kind of settle. I would have to look that up to see what the top notes, medium notes, and bottom notes are, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. So, not rosy, or if there is, I don't smell it. So that's MACY'S, guys. So we had Jean Paul Gaultier's little fragrance. We had this little Estee Lauder Futurist Peptide Power Serum Primer. Itty bitty. See if there's a safety seal on it. Bad. No safety seal. A lot of brands put safety seals even on these little ones. Shame on Estee Lauder. That's for a high-end brand. What a shame. And I think I lost the cap. That's awesome. Yep, there it fell. Okay. Just putting a little bit kind of right on my knuckle here. Nice, smooth. Does that have sparkle in it? I think it's just reflective. Feels really nice and smooth. I've put it all around my hand there. I don't smell much. If there is anything, I would be surprised because, I have a little bit of the smell of the Jean Paul Gaultier Divine, but I don't smell anything. This I'm going to try. MAC's. This is from MAC Cosmetics, their Magic Extension Mascara. Hopefully I won't regret the what do they call it? The fiber ones kind of worry me. You know, I have long days at work and I'm afraid that those fibers will get my eyes and then I'll be like just a hot mess at work. We got 2 lippies here. This one's from Smashbox. And then this one is from NYX. Gotten that in Walmart before, I do believe. Nothing wrong with those. Got these little hair thingies. Just says created for Macy's, one for me. There's not even a brand on here. So no branding, just says created for Macy's. So I'm assuming this is Macy's branded. And then of course, their one cool item here is LMS Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. And I can't remember if you can get a lot of LMS on the Ipsy Drop Shop or Boxy Drop Shop or Shop. And I don't know if this is on there, but LMS is pretty expensive. So, gosh, I don't think there's any kind of seal on it. And if there is, it's stuck in here. I mean, I can't tell if that's meant to be a seal or not. Okay, we have our little nail pry bar tool. Oh my gosh, I think that was it. Well, no, maybe not. I think it's stuck to the inside, but a little disappointing that there's not safety seals on some of these, especially these higher end brands. LMS knows better, and so does Estee Lauder. To not have a safety seal, it's a little surprising. I mean, even this NYX one has the sticker across to show that nobody's opened it. So, okay, that was it, guys. I'm super excited for these. Yep, gonna wash these and let them dry overnight, and definitely gonna give them a whirl the rest of the week. Give them a workout, try them out. I'm pretty pumped. Put a little makeup on my hand and go to town. So let me know if you guys saw these or if you bought them. This one, like I said, was discounted, but not like the big one was. I was pretty excited. I hemmed and hawed on whether to spend the money on this, but it was cheaper than I could find it elsewhere online. So, and this was like I had less than 24 hours to go on this sale, so I don't think that they were selling it for very long in the shop. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching my 2 little mail items. I mentioned at the very end of my Mask Monday Ladies video, I do have some PR to video with you guys, but I have to do some research and some learning on this product. I'm really excited about it, but I need to like do my research so that, because I'd like to use it with you guys. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. Can't wait to show it with you. Yeah, anyway, let me know. Like I said, I'm curious if you guys have used any of these products, and appreciate your time. Have a good one, guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.